Now let's talk about this. A backlog at one of the biggest labs in the state has one clinic demanding their COVID tests be returned so they can take them elsewhere to get results a lot faster, Jared.
We've been hearing about this for months, Nicole. Now staff at the clinic, Embry Women's Health, say they are done waiting weeks to get results. Monica Garcia has more on just how long their patients have been waiting.
Embry Women's Health says that the backlog is so bad at Sonora Quest that they're now just getting results for people who tested for COVID-19 clear back on July 14th.
Raymond Embry from Embry Women's Health in Mesa says he's stopped sending samples to Sonora Quest and is instead using an out-of-state lab that is apparently sending results back in half the time.
Nobody wants to wait 10 to 13 days to receive test results back. And I imagine for many, especially if they have anxiety, they don't want to, don't want to have to wake up every morning and have to check the computer and wonder, am I going to be positive today or am I not?
Additionally, he says Sonora Quest was not transparent with just how far behind they actually were until it was recently revealed when they released their data on their website.
There was very little transparency about this. We were not able to prepare our patients. We were not able to prepare our practice for the backlog that they had.
Currently, Sonora Quest is reporting more than 42,000 test results still pending.
Had they told us they were at capacity and that we would expect to see results in 7 to 12 actual days later, we would have pursued an alternative action.
Raymond says that lag is now impacting the amount of people showing up to take a test.
We've also seen a marked decrease in the number of patients that are getting tested on a daily basis. And unfortunately, we attribute much of that to the extreme delays and turnaround times that these patients have been experiencing. There's really just a sense of helplessness and almost like it's not worth testing.
Meanwhile, on their website, Sonora Quest says they're working to boost their testing capacity to process 60,000 tests a day by this time next month.
Earlier this month, the governor and Sonora Quest said they had invested more than $1 million in new equipment that would not only expand testing capacity, but shorten turnaround. In Phoenix, I'm Monica Garcia with Arizona's Family.